Wish making videos was as simple as writing a sentence? With Visual Creator and Copilot, it is. Hey, I'm Willis. This week's Copilot Tip of the Week is all about Visual Creator, your built-in tool for fast, AI-powered video creation. Wondering where to find it? It's right inside Copilot. In the toolbar, click Visual Creator. No extra software or editing experience needed. Here's how it works. After you click on Visual Creator, you'll see a few prompts ready to go. But let's make our own. Type something like, create a 1-minute video with stock media, how to improve productivity with AI. In just a couple of minutes, Copilot delivers. Stock media, voiceover, matching visuals. Just like that, your video's done. Want to make changes? Click Open to launch Clipchamp. You can swap footage, tweak audio, update text, and even change formats for Reels, posts, or YouTube. Type a prompt, get a polished video, all with Visual Creator. That's your Copilot Tip of the Week. See you next time.